I'm here. Sorry, go the whole thing. Mountain. I've never seen someone mount so elegantly in my life. Here, frame, hip escape, stopping control in my head, right? Blocking his forearm. I come up, I go to shrug him, but he whizzes me. So look, I can't go to his back now. He's blocked me going to his back. So okay, cool, same thing again. I'm just gonna dive and roll. And pass. Okay? So I take note that he's invested his arm all the way around my arm, which means his base is gone on that side. So what I'm doing is I'm not just going like this. I'm diving underneath his weight. He doesn't want me to go to his back. I'm trying. Underneath him. Roll him. Windshield wipe. Pass. And mount if I have to. Maybe I could, if I wanted to, I could block it a bit to slow him down, but I want him to be invested. Yeah. So I'm going here. Boom.
Would you peel his legs as well?
Peel his legs? What do you mean?
I said, when you got that half guard,
Yeah.
you're coming up, you're like, peel his leg.
Yeah. If I was going for like, so if I was going for like that sort of, yeah, I can absolutely peel his leg. If I want to get to here, to like the dogfight, I can still do the same thing. And I can get to here, like Kieran says, there is that threat. Maybe if I lift his leg off the floor. I don't know. But ultimately, I do it from here. Can I come up? Okay. He's not letting me come up. Cool. And we go straight over under. Okay? Because we were talking about doing the old school sweep, which we've done before, right? Where he dives under, passes across. Exactly. Like leg, like wherever. Sorry. Okay?